Welcome children in the third video of class 7 science chapter 2 nutrition in animals. Myself Sanjay Kumar Gupta, science and maths teacher in St. Michael's Academy, Bethel. Students, in previous chapter we have seen more about ingestion of food, as well as we have seen ingestion of food in human beings, in which we have read about digestive system also and work of teeth and its types. Now here we read about digestion of food which start in buccal cavity and just ends in the small intestine. Now here we will discuss about buccal cavity, tongue and food pipe or esophagus. Students, you know that buccal cavity plays an important role in the digestion of food, because buccal cavity has 3 pairs of salivary glands. Students, when you imagine to eat a food material, or when you start eating, then imagine what happens. क्या होता है जब आप किसी चीज को खाने की कल्पना करते हैं, या आप जब किसी चीज को खाते हैं या मुंह में रखते हैं, then what happens? You feel that some watery substance start releasing in the mouth and they fill our mouth. Children, have you ever thought about it? In fact, these watery substances are saliva, because saliva plays an important role for the digestion of food, because it makes our food moisten and silky. As saliva contains an enzyme called amylase. This amylase helps in the breaking of your food and digestion or breaking in of the carbohydrate. It separate starch from your food, and this is why when you eat bread and rice, you could feel that its taste becomes sweet, and due to the working or function of amylase, your food material become sweet or gives so moisten, so slippery that it can be sent easily to our stomach. So here children, you can see in this picture there is tongue, and tongue, what tongue does? Just it help in mixing the food materials, and here some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 glands of saliva. They are called salivary glands. Here is buccal cavity. Then, as tongue also plays an important role because it recognizes the taste of different food materials. As you can see that there are four types of taste buds are made. As for bitter taste, the inner sided buds are to be used. Okay, sour taste, they are in the sides just below it. Salty buds are there which taste the salty materials, and sweet buds for sweet taste are given front of the teeth. And this is the reason when we imagine to take or to eat a particular object, then we feel that that part of our tongue becomes active. You can imagine, आप अभी यह कल्पना करो कि तुम किसी ऐसे चीज को खा रहे हो या खाने का सोच रहे हो, तो देखो कौन सा पार्ट एक्टिव होता है। अगर तुम सॉल्टी पार्ट की बात करोगे, सॉल्टी चीज है, तो तुम्हारे दोनों ही जो इस साइड के बड्स हैं वो एक्टिव होते हैं और लगता है जैसे हम वहीं से किसी चीज को खा रहे हैं। या फिर अगर किसी कड़वे चीज की कल्पना करते हैं तो पीछे का हिस्सा काफी एक्टिव हो जाता है, लगता है कि पूरा मुंह हमारा उस स्वाद से भर गया है। नाउ टंग not only help us in tasting the food, but it also helps us in speaking. क्योंकि हम इस चीज को कैसे बोलते हैं, इस जीभ की सहायता से, when it touches different parts, organs of the buccal cavity, then different types of pronunciation produces. As well as it moves in the body during taking food, it churns the food materials. जैसे आपने देखा होगा कि आपके घरों में जब सब्जी बनाई जाती है या दाल बनाया जाता है तो आपकी मदर क्या करती है, वह किसी छुलनी से या करछुल से उस सब्जी या दाल को चलाती हैं, मिलाती हैं। ठीक उसी तरह से हमारे जीभ में भी क्या होता है, यह जीभ उस भोजन के तत्वों को वह चरण कराता है, उसको मिक्स करता है और उसको और ज्यादा स्मॉलर पार्टिकल्स में ब्रेक कर देता है। एंड विद द प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग moistening, making breaking, the tongue helps the food materials to send it to the esophagus. Means it pushes the smaller food particles, where esophagus helps to get rid of the food materials in the stomach. Here you can find that esophagus is only a part or a pipe to get rid of the food materials. And when these food particles move in esophagus, the part where the food materials are reaching, then it becomes wider. And rest part of the esophagus become shorter, it are contracted, and due to this contraction and extraction, means just expanding of the esophagus, it does a particular movement, and this movement is called peristaltic movement. Means what is peristaltic movement? The regular relaxation and expansion of esophagus is called peristaltic movement. लहरदार, यह जैसे आपने देखा होगा कि पानी की लहरें होती हैं, कहीं उठती हैं, कहीं गिरती हैं, ठीक उसी तरह से यह एसोफेगस भी यह उसी तरह के मूवमेंट में काम करता है. एंड अगेन इट द मोस्टेड फूड मटेरियल reaches to the stomach, where the process of digestion starts, in which different organs work. About this we will learn in the next video.